Okay, children, good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay,
Good evening, ma'am.
so take a new page. We are going to start a new lesson. Okay, children,
Okay, ma'am.
new lesson. Take a new page. Okay,
ma'am.
all of you, fast.
Okay, ma'am.
And our chapter's name is Chapter 5. Chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Chapter 5, Chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes.
Ma'am, we have to write in this notes.
Yes?
We
Yes,
have to write this in the notes.
yes. Understanding elementary shapes. Understanding elementary shapes. Okay? Write the heading. Understanding elementary shapes. Okay, did you finish writing?
Yes,
Understanding elementary shapes. Chapter's name is Understanding Elementary Shapes. This chapter we are studying more about angles. Okay, children, more about angles. Different types of angles.
Ma'am, can you repeat once more?
Ma'am, we should write this in the
I have written on the board, Understanding Elementary Shapes.
Ma'am, we should write this in notes. Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write in the notes.
Yes? Altina, I couldn't hear.
Ma'am, we should write this in notes.
Yes, you have to write this in your notes. Okay?
Ma'am.
Understanding elementary shapes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, I just came now.
Enough, children. Enough. Let me explain about angles. You know angles?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have
Yes,
studied angles. We have studied angles in the when we started the first chapter, no, basic geometrical ideas.
Basic geometrical ideas.
In that you studied about angles, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So when one angle is formed, when one corner is formed, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know whether you remember, but we studied the angles like that. An
Angles
angle
are
is formed whenever one corner is formed. Whenever one corner we can form one corner, we will find one angle there. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, suppose you are sitting near a table. Some of you are sitting near a table, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you look at the table's corner?
Yes, ma'am.
Table's corner. Can you find an angle over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can find an angle over there, right? So whenever one corner is there, there is one angle. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So we are
Okay,
studying
ma'am.
about different types of angles in this chapter. Different types of angles and different types of triangles. Classification of angles and classification of triangles. Okay, children. Then I will start from the beginning. Okay. How many types of angles are there? Okay, children, have you seen clocks? You have in your room clock is there. Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
seen that clock?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
clock is there in the room when where you are sitting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, children. Now
Yes,
look
ma'am.
at here. Look at here. See, children. Okay, children, see. See, I only one line I am drawing. See, can you find any angle here? One ray. Can you find any angle there?
No, ma'am.
No corner is formed. There is no corner in between. When I draw simply a ray, you cannot find any angle there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what we will do is, let me draw one more ray like this. Now can you find an angle?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Where is the angle? Two
Ma'am,
rays.
between
When two rays we are drawing. When we are drawing two rays. When we are drawing two rays, in between there is one angle.
angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So when we
Okay,
draw
ma'am.
one ray only, there is no angle. One ray only, there is no angle formed.
Yes.
Clear? So did you understand? When we draw one ray, there is no angle. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
One ray if we are
Yes, ma'am.
drawing, there is no angle. Now let me explain about this. Suppose you have a clock with you. Okay. So a clock has an hour hand and a minute hand, right? Second
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
also. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you know it, an hour hand and a minute hand. Okay.
Yes,
Let me
ma'am.
draw a clock. Listen to me. Okay, children, I am going to draw a clock. Yes? Okay, children? See, I will explain how the clock and the ray are formed. Okay, children? So, it is a round shape clock. Okay. And what is this? Can you tell me what are the numbers here I am marking?
I'm at the top,
On the
12.
top,
12.
Ma'am, then 3, 6,
the
9.
9. And in between,
12, 1, 2,
okay, how many in between
5,
are there? Listen. 1, 2,
Ma'am, we have to draw in this note.
4,
4, 5,
5,
7,
7,
8,
8, 10,
11.
11, right? Okay. My clock, our clock, it is 12 o'clock. Okay. How can I show 12 o'clock?
Ma'am, the hour hand and minute hand should be in the 12.
Our hand and minute hand.
Minute
Our
hand.
hand is small.
Small.
Okay.
Minute
Minute
hand is
hand
big.
is a
Big.
long one. Our hand is short and minute hand is a long one, right?
Long one. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you see that green line?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 12 o'clock now. It is 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you find any angle there?
No, ma'am.
Can you find any angle?
Ma'am.
No angle is formed. That is one ray, one hour hand like this, and minute hand on the top. Minute hand on the top like this. Okay, children? Minute hand on the top. That pink line. There is no angle formed. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
No angle formed. I can write that angles measure as 0 degree. 0 degree because the minute hand and our hand did not move. That is one over the other. It will lie on the top of the other. Clear? Minute hand and hour hand are
Yes, ma'am.
lying on the top of the other. There is no angle formed. Okay, children.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
tell
Yes,
the
ma'am.
angle. No angle formed. But we can write the measure of that angle as 0
0
degree.
degree.
Did you understand? What is the measure of the angle now? 0 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
0 degree. That means there is no angle formed. No angle formed means the degree measure is
0.
0. So when it is 12 o'clock, what is the degree measure of the angle formed?
Ma'am, 0
0
degree.
degree. Okay. Now listen to me. Listen. Now the minute hand started moving. Okay. Minute hand started moving and okay. Let me draw it. Minute hand started moving and to very less up to this. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
And our hand also there will not be any change because since it is 12:05, that our hand will be still there. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you find any angle over there?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the minute and our hand started moving. Now you can find the angle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So there is an angle formed. So first of all, we studied 0 degree angle. That means the two rays are same. Clear? There is no ray. The two rays are same and there is no angle formed. Afterwards, one ray started moving. One ray started moving like this.
Moving.
Now you can find a small angle in between. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is a small angle. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Again,
Okay, ma'am.
again the minute hand start moving. Then after that, it reached. Okay, let me draw. From this, some more. Now can you tell the time?
I'm 12:05.
12.
12.
What some more? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, so that is an angle. There is an angle. And there is a measure of the angle also. Is it 0 degree now?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
it is not 0 degree. Okay, children. Now you look at here. Look at here. I want you to tell the degree. One minute, children, 1 minute. One minute. One minute, children, the board stuck in between.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, can you see one angle there? One small angle, right?
Yes, ma'am. Small one.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
again, when I draw the angle, when I draw the time, you have to tell the angle. Okay, children? Okay. Can you see two hands there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same that angle.
Yes, ma'am.
90 degree. 90 degree.
Do you understand that 90 degree?
Ma'am, because it is
Because it is
L
Okay.
shape.
Okay, children. So this much you understood, right?
yes.
Okay, children. Now, did you understand about 0-degree angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did you understand from 0-degree angle?
Ma'am,
That angle do not vertices.
That both rays came together. There is no angle formed. For indicating that, we have named that angle as 0 angle.
degree.
Clear? There is no angle formed, so it is known as 0 angle. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, children. Now, see this. See, my is there any angle formed now? Can you see my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any angle formed now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Angle is formed. You can see only my hand there. From here, no angle is formed. So it is 0-degree angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, when I folded my hand like this, can you see one angle over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Small angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One small angle. Can you see one angle here?
Yes, ma'am.
This one small angle, and it has a name. The name of the angle is acute angle. Acute.
Acute angle.
CUTE. You will might be thinking it is a acute angle. Okay, it is not acute angle. Acute angle. Acute. Acute means sharp. When I show this, you can understand the shape of the angle. It is a sharp. Its corner is sharp like this. Okay, children? Acute angle. Okay? Okay, children? So first we studied 0-degree angle and second one is acute angle. I will explain the speciality of acute angle. Before that, let me explain about 90-degree. Okay, children? Have you seen L shape anywhere? L shape?
I'm a right angle.
Okay, I'll draw that L shape. See, if I draw one L shape like this, L shape. Okay? L shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In your corner of the table, can you see an L shape?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you take your book, can you see one corner like this?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you take a piece of paper, can you see a corner like this? Yes, in our board there is a corner L shape.
Yes, ma'am.
In our room there is a corner, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The corner, look at the corner in your room. The walls, will you look at the walls? The walls are there. Can you look at 2 walls? Look at 2 walls and the corner. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
There is an L shape.
I see.
And your floor and your room's floor and the wall, wherever it meets, there is an L shape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are sitting in a room and if it is tiled, the room has tile, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The tile, can you see one L shape in the corner?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you see L shape, that angle is 90 degree.
Right angle.
90
Yes,
degree.
ma'am.
And that angle is known as right angle.
Right angle.
What is the name of the angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. That L shape angle is right angle. Okay, children? So whenever you see the angle, the L shape angle is known as right angle. L shape angle. 1 minute. Okay, dear children. An L shape angle, whenever you see, it is known as right angle. Now, can you see a paper over here?
Yes.
Can you see a corner here?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is an L shape and that angle is known as right angle. And what is the measure of the angle?
90 degree.
Degree. Okay, children, 90 degree. Now look at here. See, zero angle means no angle is formed. You can see my hand, no angle you can see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, suppose there is no angle formed. When I keep my hand like this, there is no angle formed. Then after that, I started to move my wrist like this. Okay, from here, I started to move my wrist like this, up to this only. Can you see that small angle?
Yes,
What's the name of the small angle?
acute angle.
Angle. And when then again the one hand start to moving like this, and when it came to straight like this, L shape. Can you see
Right
an L
angle.
shape?
Yes, ma'am. Right
What is the name of that angle?
Angle.
Right angle.
90
What is the
degree.
degree measure of the angle?
90 degree.
90 degree.
Okay. Now we studied three angles. One is 0 degree. There is no angle formed. There is no angle formed. Clear? 0 degree. No angle formed. Okay, children. Again, when the arm started moving like this, when the when one ray start moving like this, there is an angle formed, a small angle. It is known as acute angle. Acute. And then meaning means it is a sharp angle, sharp. That indicates its shape. Okay, children. Again, when my hand moves like this, slowly one angle forms and it reached up to this much. And you can see clearly the L shape. Isn't it? That L shape.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
that L shape is known as
Right angle.
right angle. Okay, children. Now, I will show the shape of the angles.
Ma'am,
Okay.
obtuse angle. Obtuse
Now
angle.
listen.
Ma'am.
Listen, children, listen. Let me explain. I know that you might have studied it, but let me explain it properly. Okay, children. There is only one ray. Okay. Can you name this angle?
Ma'am, 0 degree angle.
0, there is no angle formed, so it is
Ma'am,
known
we have to
as
write this.
0 degree angle.
zero
angle.
angle. You can name it as
Ma'am, we
0
have to write
angle.
this.
No need of writing, just listen to me. Afterwards, when the ray, you cannot identify the two rays because the two rays are on one over the other. There is no angle formed. Okay, children. Again, when the small angle started moving and you can find one angle over here. Can you name that angle?
Acute angle.
Acute. I will write ACUT, acute angle. And the measure of the acute angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree.
90 degree. More than 0
Okay.
degree.
Less than 90 degree. Acute angle's measure is
Less than 90.
more than 0 and less than 90. From 0, it has started moving. So more than 0 and less than 90. Clear? Okay. But
Okay, ma'am.
it will move only up to this. This ray will move only up to this. And when it comes to the L shape, the angle is known by some another name. What is that?
Right
Angle. So it is known as right angle. What is the name of the angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. What is the degree measure of right angle?
90 degree.
90 degree. Okay, children. Okay. So we can show our angles by showing our hand. There is no angle formed. There is no angle formed. Afterwards, when I move my wrist like this, there is a short angle formed and it is known as acute angle. And the measure of acute angle is more than 0,
Than 90 degree.
less than 90 degree. Again, the hand moves like this. And when it reached here, it stopped. And the name of the angle is?
angle.
What is the degree measure of angle?
90
90 degree. So we studied 0 degree angle, 0 angle, acute angle and
Angle and right angle.
right
angle.
angle. Three angles we studied. Okay. Did you understand about that? Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. So,
Rectangle, obtuse angle.
yes, yes, you know it. I know that you know, but for explaining, for this chapter, I have to explain all this. Okay, children? One minute. One minute, children. Let me show the first slide. Okay, children. Can you see acute angle there? Acute angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see acute angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See the shape of the angle. See the shape, this sharp end, right? This is a sharp one, sharp corner. So the name is given as acute angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this L shape, what is the name of the angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. And that is exact 90 degree. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
It is exact 90 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Again it is shown one more picture over here, acute angles. Okay, can you see that acute angle shape?
Yes, ma'am.
It's acute angle shape, and this is exact 90 degree and it is right angle. See that? Right angle. Did you understand that? Yes, children? Did you understand about zero angle, acute angle and right angle? Okay. Okay, children? Did you understand about 0 degree angle, acute angle and right angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Then
ma'am.
to my next class, I will explain about all the other angles detailing. Okay, children?
Obtuse.
And you bring your protractor when tomorrow you have the instrument box with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you protractor should be there with you. Okay, children? So I will explain and showing the protractor. Okay? Okay, children, shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
tomorrow I will continue with other angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Children,
Thank you, ma'am.
are you sure that you
Thank you,
understood
ma'am.
everything?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow when you come, I will ask the questions.
High in the sky.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, see you.
See you, ma'am. Later,
Bye.
ma'am.
See you, ma'am.